You searched how to buy shares of LeadDesk Oyj, a Finnish cloud contact center software company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker LEADD.HE. This video is educational only and not financial advice. Always do your own research. To buy this stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker LEADD.HE to find the exact listing on the exchange. Confirm the company name and exchange details to make sure you have located the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for recent movements. Verify that the page shows LeadDesk Oyj on CBOE EU and the ticker LEADD.HE before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A soft reminder, the eToro link is in the description if you want to learn more.